If you've been around the car world very much, you know that slot car racing is making a huge comeback. And it's mostly because of companies like Scalextric. Because not only have they been around since the beginning, but they haven't stayed in the past. Now they have brought things up to date. As you can see, they have all kinds of new car models to choose from, different track options, digital options, all to give you a unique, modern slot car racing experience. Check it out. You like muscle cars or Trans Am Series race cars or classic TV and movie cars? They got them. You like exotic sports cars or Le Mans race cars? Well, they got those too. You like crazy stuff? There's plenty of that. And if you want to crush the competition, well, they got special vehicles to do that too. And if high detail is your thing, some cars have headlights, taillights, and Scalextric even has an app with multiple functions and sounds for a true racing experience. The best part is you can start with a basic starter kit and build from there. So you're not going to spend a fortune, even if you want to. If you want a really cool racing experience in your shop or man cave, then you got to have a slot car track. Forget the pool, forget the ping pong, because this is only limited by your imagination.